Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to use XLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, let's define what XLOOKUP does. XLOOKUP is basically the same as VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, though the only difference is that XLOOKUP is way more exact compared to the two. Though the only downside for XLOOKUP is it doesn't work for older versions of Excel. Without further ado, let's work on an example. It says here that I need to find the ID number of Mint. Well, all we have to do is use the XLOOKUP function. So type the equal sign and type XLOOKUP. Once we do so, the syntax should appear. First is our lookup value. Since we are trying to find the ID number of Mint, we're going to use Mint as our lookup value. All we have to do is type Mint in between quotation marks. Next, the lookup array should indicate which cell we should find Mint on. Let's select the product column. And lastly, the return array should signify the value that will be our result once we try to find the corresponding value of Mint. Let's select the column next to Mint. For now, this is enough for this example. Though, if ever you want to set a certain value that you want to return whenever Mint is not found, you can just add another comma sign and add whatever value you want. But for now, let's close up our equation and press OK. As you can see, it printed out 10008, which is the ID number of Mint. Let's try to make another example for another sheet, this time when it's horizontally oriented. For this problem, we need to find the product which corresponds to the ID number of 10004. All we have to do is type the same formula XLOOKUP and then go for a lookup value of 10004. Next is go for the lookup array. We should select the row which the ID numbers belong to. Once we do so, press on comma and go ahead and select the return array where we want Excel to find the return value from the corresponding ID number, which is the product row. Once we do so, just close the equation again and press enter. As you can see, since we are looking for 10004, it directly corresponds to strawberry, which is exactly what we wanted. And there we have it. This is how we use the XLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel.